People keep asking me, can you actually make real money with AI tools? And the honest answer is yes, but not with the methods most people are hyping online. Today I'm showing you the AI side hustles that have actual earning potential, what the realistic numbers look like, and exactly how to start. Let's cut through the noise. The fastest path to AI income is using AI to deliver freelance services better and faster. Here's the model. You take a skill you already have, writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, and you use AI tools to do it 3 to 5x faster. You charge the same rates or higher. Your margin explodes. Concrete example. A freelance copywriter who used to take 3 hours to write a sales email sequence can now use ChatGPT to draft it in 30 minutes and spend the remaining time editing, refining, and making it great. They're still billing 3 hours. They're doing the work in 1. What to offer? AI-assisted blog writing, social media content packages, email sequence creation, ad copy, video scripts, SEO articles. Where to sell? Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, direct outreach. The positioning matters here. You don't tell clients I use AI. You tell them I deliver high-quality content consistently on deadline. That's what they're paying for. AI is your production tool, the same way a plumber uses power tools. You don't explain your tools to the client. You just deliver excellent results. Realistic earnings: $1,000 to $5,000 per month for someone who positions well and markets consistently. High-end specialists make more. This is one of the most underrated side hustles right now. Businesses want automation, but most small business owners have no idea how to set it up. You can learn tools like Zapier, Make.com, and go high level in a few weeks, and then charge businesses to set up their automations. Lead follow-up sequences, social media scheduling, invoice and payment workflows, onboarding automations. The pitch is simple. I'll build you automations that save your team X hours per week. Then you scope the work, charge for setup, and optionally offer a retainer for maintenance. You don't need to be a developer. You need to understand workflows and know how to use low-code tools. The learning investment is real but not huge. Most people can reach a functional working knowledge of Zapier or Make.com in 10 to 15 hours of focused study. There are free YouTube tutorials and official documentation. Once you can confidently build 3 or 4 types of automation, you have a marketable service. Who to target? Local service businesses, electricians, real estate agents, dentists, e-commerce stores, coaches and consultants, anyone who has a CRM and uses it inconsistently. Realistic earnings: $500 to $2,000 per client setup. Retainers at $200 to $500 per month per client. 3 retainer clients is a meaningful side income. I covered this in another video, but it belongs on this list because the earning potential is real. The model: you create educational or entertaining YouTube content in a specific niche using AI for scripting, 11 Labs for voiceover, stock footage, and automated editing tools. You never show your face. You batch content and post consistently. Monetization stacks: AdSense plus affiliate marketing plus digital product sales. A channel in the finance or business space with 50K subscribers can realistically earn $3,000 to $10,000 a month across these streams. The barrier: it takes 3 to 6 months to get traction. This is the hustle that requires the most patience. But once it's rolling, it's genuinely passive. Old videos keep earning. The channels that succeed share 3 traits. They picked a niche with strong advertiser CPMs, they published consistently, at least once a week, and they paid attention to thumbnails and titles. The AI produces the content. Your judgment as a publisher, choosing topics, optimizing for click-through, that's the human value add that makes the difference between a channel that grows and one that stagnates. Realistic earnings: $0 in months 1 to 3, potentially $500 to $2,000 per month by month 6, $2,000 to $10,000 plus per month at scale. AI has created a new market, selling prompts, templates, and AI-assisted content products. Prompt packs, collections of specialized ChatGPT or Midjourney prompts for a specific niche, sell on Etsy and Gumroad. Prices range from $7 to $47. The product is purely intellectual. You've done the work of figuring out what prompts get great results, and you package that knowledge. Beyond prompts, AI-generated coloring books, children's books, journal templates, productivity planners, business document templates, all created with AI, sold on autopilot. The key to succeeding with digital products is specificity. AI prompts for entrepreneurs is too broad. 50 ChatGPT prompts for real estate agents to close more deals is specific enough to attract motivated buyers who see immediate value. Go niche. The smaller the audience, the more clearly your product speaks to them. The model requires upfront creative work but minimal ongoing effort. Build a catalog of products, drive traffic, and earn repeatedly. Realistic earnings, highly variable. Selling 5 to 10 products a day at $15 to $30 each is $1,500 to $9,000 a month. Most people earn far less because they don't market. Marketing is the work. Here's an angle most people overlook. Local small businesses are desperate for marketing help, and AI makes delivering that help fast and affordable. Offer social media content packages to local businesses, restaurants, gyms, salons, contractors. Use AI to create the content. Charge $300 to $800 per month per client. You can manage 5 to 10 clients in a few hours per week. Or offer Google Business Profile Optimization, local SEO content, and reputation management. Small businesses don't know how to do this, and AI makes it fast enough that one person can handle a sizable client roster. The local business angle has a huge advantage. You're not competing on Upwork with people from countries with lower costs of living. You're the local expert. You can walk in, shake hands, show your work on a phone or tablet, and close deals face to face. Relationships matter in local business, and being local is a genuine competitive advantage. Start with one niche. Restaurants are a good starting point. They universally need social media help, and their content is easy to produce. Food photos, menu features, customer stories. Get 5 restaurant clients, build a portfolio, get testimonials, and expand from there. Realistic earnings, 5 clients at $500 a month equals $2,500 a month. This is one of the most realistic 5-figure side hustles for someone who can handle basic client relationships. There's a new category emerging that most people are sleeping on: being paid to teach AI skills to others. A huge portion of the workforce is aware that AI is important, but has no idea how to actually use it. Businesses are willing to pay to bridge that gap. You don't need to be an AI researcher or an engineer. You need to be competent with the tools. ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Zapier, whatever your specialization, and able to communicate that competence in a useful way to someone less familiar. Concrete opportunities. Corporate AI training workshops, $500 to $2,000 for a half-day session with a small business team. One-on-one coaching for professionals learning to use AI in their field, $75 to $150 hour. And online courses hosted on Teachable, Gumroad, or Udemy, $97 to $497 per purchase, scalable to many buyers. The corporate training angle is particularly lucrative and undersaturated. Most small and mid-sized businesses know they need to adopt AI tools but don't have the budget or expertise to hire a full-time consultant. A freelance trainer who can spend a day with their team, show them practical workflows, and set them up with useful systems is providing immediate, tangible value. You don't need a certification to do this. You need to know the tools well and be able to communicate clearly. Build one signature workshop. Maybe it's AI tools for contractors, or using ChatGPT to run your small business more efficiently. Practice it for free with a couple of local businesses to get testimonials. Then charge real rates. Realistic earnings, $1,000 to $5,000 a month with consistent outreach. 2 corporate workshops a month at $1,000 each covers that floor easily. There's no shortage of ways to earn with AI tools right now. But there is a shortage of people willing to actually put in the work to learn and execute. The tools are the easy part. The hustle is still yours. Pick one of these. Not 3, not 5. 1. Get your first client or your first sale. Build from there. If you want more real talk content about making money in 2026, subscribe. I answer every comment, and I want to hear which of these you're pursuing.